tip number 78 in my top 101 property investment tips now, and that is understand what listed buildings are. This country has a system of listing buildings which it considers to be of significant historical or architectural importance. There's various levels: grade 1, grade 2 star, and then grade 2. All these buildings, though, if they are listed, require specialist listing buildings approval before you commence any works on them, and you really will get into a lot of trouble if you don't get that listed buildings approval before starting any work. So understand whether or not your property is listed, and then seek specialist support and advice if it is. More hints and tips on martinrobertspropertyeducation.com, martinroberts.com, or on my YouTube channel, Martin Roberts Property Tip Bits.